Hi guys, so today we are with one more visa approval of Mr. Vikas, and this is for France tourist visa. As you can see, Mr. Vikas has got the visa. So let's congratulate Mr. Vikas on his success story for France tourist visa. Now let me tell you, this is not just a simple approval of any country tourist visa. There is something interesting about Vikas sir visa approval, and which has never happened in the history of Akira Tourism as well. So what's that special thing which happened to Mr. Vikas, and why you should apply your France and Schengen countries tourist visa with Akira Tourism? You will get to know in today's video, as well as you will get to know what documents are required, what is the processing time, what is the validity, and the most important part, what is the price for France tourist visa if you are a UAE resident. So guys, for that you need to watch full video because you will understand the basic things of any country tourist visa. So guys, let's start the video. Before starting, let me tell you, my name is Yogesh and I'm the owner of Akira Tourism, and we provide you exceptional services related to visa, hotel and packages, everything. So please do subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and let's start the video. So guys, first of all, Mr. Vikas has contacted us through one of our social media platform, Instagram. He contacted us and he wanted to apply France tourist visa because he want to go and visit France. But before we start his journey, let me tell you, Mr. Vikas has been to Schengen countries 5 to 6 times already. So he has already that advantage. For example, if you have been to Japan, if you have been to Singapore, if you have been to USA, and you want to reapply, you want to visit again to those countries, right? So you already have an advantage that you have previously visited that country and you came back successfully. So they don't have doubts that you will be living there and you will not come back, right? So it's already clear. So it's a big advantage. Mr. Vikas was already having 5 to 6 country Schengen visas like Switzerland, Hungary, Germany. So he has already been there so many times. So that was a very big advantage he has. So what we did, we asked him the previous approved copies of Hungary, Switzerland, Germany, so that we can compile in the file and we can attach in the file, so his file can be stronger, right? So as you know that we attach cover letter, itinerary, hotel, flight, dummy, insurance, appointment, everything we do. So apart from that, we have attached his previous approved visas as well, and we have attached some additional documents like tenancy contract because he was living in UAE and he was having his own flat under his name. So we asked him the tenancy contract and we attached some additional documents as well so that the file can be stronger. And once your file is stronger, you are not confusing the visa officer. Visa officer will be very confident that yes, his file is very strong. So we made his file accordingly because he was having the approved visas of Germany, Hungary, Switzerland in previous history as well, and he traveled and he came back successfully. So it was a very big advantage. So once we have all these documents, we started preparing the file like cover letter, itinerary, hotel, flight, dummy, everything. And the most important and the main advantage which you will have while dealing with Akira Tourism is the appointment. See, as you know, if you go now and check on the VFS for the France tourist visa appointment, you will get in August, September. But we have made him early appointment. How? Because of the team. We have dedicated team here in our office who check 1,000 times in a day for the Schengen appointments, and because of that we get the early appointment for Mr. Vikas, and Mr. Vikas got the approval in May itself. And after that we started preparing the file, and once the file is ready, before his appointment, 1 week before, we have given the documents to him and he went and submit the file. That's it. There is no interview, nothing. Don't worry about that, because a lot of you are worried that while we go for submission they will ask us some questions or what. No, they will not ask. You have to just submit the file in the embassy, okay? And the most important advantage which you will have while dealing with Akira Tourism is the documentation part. See, as I told you so many times in our previous videos as well, that we follow 3-layer process. In that 3-layer process, your documentation goes through the 3-layer process. The first layer is the sales team, where they check and identify and rectify all your documentation. Then it goes to the filing team. Filing team will prepare your file like cover letter, itinerary, hotel, flight, dummy, and then it goes to the final submission. commission. So it's a 3-layer process which we follow. That's why our success ratio is the number 1 in the UAE market, and I'm very proud of my team. Because of them, these visas are coming, these approvals are coming. So guys, Mr. Vikas has paid just 550 AED only to us for all these things, and in this 550 the appointment cost, cover letter, itinerary, hotel, flight, dummy, everything is included, sir. So it's very minimal charge which we are asking. As you all know that in appointment and insurance only you are going to pay around 250 dirhams. So cover letter, itinerary, hotel, flight, dummy, everything has some kind of cost. So it's a very minimal charge which we are asking, and in result you are getting the visa approved. So this is the thing, you should apply your tourist visa of any country with Akira Tourism. So guys, this was the success story of Mr. Vikas. If you like the video, press the like button. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe the channel. And if you want to apply France tourist visa, the number is given below, address is given below. Come to our office, discuss with our team, and let's start your journey with Akira Tourism. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Till that time,